Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. I'm Emmanuel Arce, the Ultimate Gardener. My goal is to help you guys grow in the garden industry and help you guys become an Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, we're going to go ahead and continue the Ultimate Garden Renewing series. I think that's what it's called. And technically we're just going to go ahead and today clean up all the weeds in the garden. So when the 1000 video comes out, which thank you guys so much for 1,000. I know I haven't announced it on YouTube yet, but thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers, you guys. This is such a blessing and such an honor to have that number and that amount of loyal audience members to watch my videos. And so I want to say thank you so much for everything you guys have done for me, and so please expect huge things to come. Moving on, but I don't know if you guys can see, there's a bit of weeds right here, and then there's an entire island of weeds right here, as you guys can see. So, and we have a few more right here, and then I would like to clean up the apple tree over there so it could have a little bit of more space. And so we're gonna do that right now. And so let me go ahead and set up the camera. Let's get to work. So guys, that's it for this exciting sprouting video. As you guys saw, I went through the entire garden and I cleaned up as much as I could. If you guys are wondering what would happen with the rest of the weeds that were left over, those will go ahead and be treated with garden safe weed killer, because I can't literally pull up every single tiny weed, because that's impossible. But yeah, I'm breathing very hard because it's very hot out here, very humidic out here, and it's very tiring. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when a new exciting sprouting video comes out just like this one, make sure to hit that bell notification button so you get notified when the new exciting sprouting video comes out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and there is a possibility that the 1K video will come out today the same time this video is posted, so please stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.